In this video, we will show you the basics of using search and status to find markout requests using a number of different criteria. To access search and status, first navigate to managetickets.com, then click the Search and Status button. You will then be prompted to select a state where the work is being performed. Selecting New York will take you to the primary search and status interface. This is where you will enter your ticket search criteria. There are numerous options available. Today we'll take a look at some of the most commonly used search methods. Before we do, take a look at the start date and end date in the upper right corner of the screen. This displays the date range of your search. It will default to a window of 1 month prior to the current date. You can change this date range at any time. First, let's try a simple street search. Navigate to the street field and enter a full or partial street name. Remember that you can make partial entries in any field marked with a red plus sign. Click the Search button to see a list of your results. As you can see, the list includes markout requests with a dig street including 75th, such as 75th Street, 75th Avenue, and 175th Street. It also includes roads with both an east and west prefix. This list is a bit too long. Let's try narrowing the search parameters. Adding a cross street to the search should result in a much shorter list. This would likely be enough to find your ticket, but you can add more information to the search to narrow it further. When your ticket search only yields a single ticket, Search and Status will immediately display the ticket in question. You can view the entire ticket, including contact info, marking status, and mapping. You can also search for tickets filed by a specific company. Keep in mind that some ticket information may have been entered with slightly different phrasing than you expect. It's often best to start with a very broad search and narrow the search criteria incrementally. You can also search for a partial name, like City of, to display all tickets filed by a city. Another useful option is to search using Polygons, which allows you to search for all tickets filed within a specific geographic area. First, use the map search functions to find the desired location on the map. Then click Create Polygon. Encircle the relevant area on the map and click Search. Remember, you can add additional search criteria to narrow down the resulting ticket list. Feel free to experiment with different search options to see which methods work best for you. Thanks for watching.